Karaage is what I like to call Japanese popcorn chicken. You can find it in most izakayas and ramen shops and other restaurants around Japan, even in America. Over the years, whenever I was in Japan, I would always get karaage with a nice bowl of ramen. Satisfying, hits the spot every time. Most of the time, chicken karaage is made with chicken thighs. Sometimes you could find it made with chicken breast, but what we're gonna do today is chicken thighs. It's moist, tender, and delicious. And if you top it off with shichimi togarashi, which is Japanese 7 spice, it has a nice little pepper kick to it. Sprinkle some lemon juice on it, dip it in some mayo. But Japanese mayo is a lot sweeter than your typical American mayonnaise. This is Kewpie pie, Japanese mayonnaise. If you ever go to Japan, you'll notice that Japanese put mayonnaise on everything. Comes out nice and smooth. Look at that. They put mayonnaise on everything, and I mean everything.
No!
Karaage. It's such an easy, satisfying treat. Simple, quick, and delicious. Let's do it. Items you may need from the Asian market are Japanese mayo and potato starch. Chicken is also sometimes referred to as tori, which means bird. Just cut up the chicken into equal pieces. Remember, they slightly shrink once cooked. Throw in a bowl to marinate. Shoyu is soy sauce. Use about 1.5 cups in the marinade. The cooking sake I'm using is mirin. Pour about 1 cup into the bowl. Sesame oil and garlic are both optional. Cover and let the marinade sit for about 30 minutes. Let's prep the starch. If you can't find potato starch, you can use cornstarch. You want to cover the piece of chicken fully in the starch and shake off any excess. Preheat a pot of vegetable oil to deep fry by using a pair of chopsticks. If they bubble, it's ready. Put the chicken in carefully and don't overcrowd the oil, as it will lower the temperature. Let it cook for about 90 seconds. Pull the chicken out and let it dry on a towel or rack. Now put the chicken back in for a second fry for about another 60 seconds or until golden brown. Pull it out and let it dry once again. Let's serve it up with some lemon wedges. Top it off with some shichimi togarashi spice. And traditionally it's served with some Japanese mayonnaise. Itadakimasu. Enjoy a delicious meal.
Wow.